Alright, hello everyone out there. This is DayTraderRockStar for Friday, May 2nd. Sell in May and go away. That's the theme for this month. We're going to see if it plays out. Right now, I got the 60-minute chart here in front of me. This is a chart pattern I posted this morning and talking about each time the stochastics got down to the 20 level on the 60-minute chart, we had a nice rally and it worked each time. So the market opened up this morning. I was looking for a little lower low on the just on the thing, and we did. We sold off a little on the 5-minute chart, which gave us that little push lower here on the daily chart, and it actually brought the stochastics right down to the 20 mark, as you can see right here. Let me zoom it in a little so you can see it. I know because this is a video you can't really see it, so I'm going to actually take it, actually zoom it out here because that's not working. You have to actually see it clearer. But we brought right down to the 20 area here. We were right on support when we left off yesterday. We are right below support. I was calling for support to be at the pretty much a little below the low of yesterday, and the low back on the 25th there. So we kind of gapped down a little. We sold off quick, and then we just rallied back up. So stochastics hit the 20 area, and we moved back up, and it was just off to the races. Now we're right at 1410. Right at 1410. This is a major area. I want everyone to pay attention to Art Cashin tomorrow. He's going to be your ticket, because people on the floor, on the stock market floor, on the street, they respect this guy. This guy's been around a long time. Believe me, this guy has more brains in him than most of the people on CNBC all put together. So, that poor guy, poor thing, he's getting old and stuff. Well, he's not getting old, but you know what? I think you could see that he's not going to be broadcasting too much longer. But what do I know? I just feel that. He's one of my favorite personalities. Anyway, right on the 1410 area, we're going to open up tomorrow with the employment numbers, the jobs numbers, and that's scary. It always happens, right? It always happens that we get a major number, and that's what I say. I always say the markets are kind of manipulated this way. That the market they set themselves up that they can use the news either to explode through an area and really rally the market, which I think we have a good possibility of happening. Even if we do get a little sell-off on this, I think we rally right back up there, retest that 1410 area. It is scary that we're up by the 1410 area on the 5-minute chart. It looks like you can see it was bouncing off it. On the daily chart, we have embedded stochastics, which is kind of bullish. Also, we're trying to push up. We actually closed above the 200 period moving average. I think we're going up tomorrow. Personally, I think the jobs reports are going to surprise us somehow. I don't know. I'm just taking a guess. I'm not even worried about it. The overall markets I'm not going to worry about. I'm more concerned about some stocks here that are really set up to really take off. Let's start off with AXL, Axle, American Axle. Look at a huge move today. Big volume day. We're right at the top of this trend line. I called to get in on this one right back here about 4 days ago. I said this is a perfect opportunity to get in on this one early, and then you're going to get this move up to the breakout, and you're going to get the breakout. So you're going to get the breakout here. Definitely showing a crossover in the stochastics leading up. Remember, we're going to have cross currents in the morning on this jobs number, so the market can pull back, can pull some things down. But overall, I think you're going to buy this one on a pullback. Just looks good. Nice consolidation. We have a big volume day yesterday. This one should continue on nicely. Options Express. This is what I like to call. What did I call this here? I said, all right, what's this move here? Look at this move. Yesterday, this was my best bet going into today. And this morning, I said, all right, I'm going to wait until I jump in on this one. I want to get in on it today, but I just want to wait until I see the sign, and saw the sign around 12:25, 12:26. I forget when it was. I bought my shares at 12:30, 12:31. The stock started taking off here. I call it, was that Bigfoot or was it the Rockstar effect? I don't know. Volume pretty much confirms there's going to be a continued move tomorrow. We closed on the highs of the day. This one's going to be taken down very soon. I don't know that, but I kind of figured this. out. You know, what am I going to say? Come out and say things. If I, you know, you just got to figure that this one is going to be in play very soon, and it just happened to be lucky. So look for this one to continue on. I'm looking for a target about $25 on this short term, and we'll see. You know, let's continue on. We got another nice setup here. This one's probably, you know, as yesterday Options Express, or today Options Express was my best bet. Today, or going into tomorrow, Friday's trade, I am looking for my best trade of the day. It's going to be in Pfizer, PFE. Now, I took a small, you know, I have a small position in Pfizer, started last week, and I just like this. This is a very good pattern here. Everything's setting up nice here. We had a reaction low. We bounced up against the 20-period moving average, which was a downward trend line. We pulled back about 3 days. We're not even getting pulled back. We're staying above that 20. And we had a nice little rally today on some volume. Volume starting to pick up here. So looking for a continuation move tomorrow on Pfizer. Pfizer's not normally a big mover, so you know, not looking for a big move, but definitely looking for a good area to get in on this one. So I'm going to be adding to my position tomorrow, and that's it. That's basically what I have to say about that one. TSO, Tesoro and Valero. I'm going to trade. I want to put these together because both of these I like right now. Tesoro making a nice turn up here. Not a lot of people are not going to worry about this little turn up. I've seen this little angle here, this little turn up here. Volume starting to pick up. You know, just a nice setup here. I think we have an outside day with a positive outcome of the outside day. So this one is telling me that we should head higher tomorrow on Tesoro. I think we're at the bottom of these two right here, Valero and Tesoro. They should be brother and sister here. Nice support right here on Valero. I don't think we're going to go lower than 47.50 on anymore on Valero. So we'll watch that. Again, the stochastics not in the best condition right here, but I think we've seen some interesting buying coming on this one. It's about time. Let's see, Honeywell. I just want to remind you that Honeywell is a trade. The setup of the week. Even though that we're going into Friday, if we do get that explosion through 1410 tomorrow, we could actually get a move in Honeywell, and I'm saying we could get a serious big move. If we break out of this small little pattern we're in right now, get above that $61, this thing could actually take off a couple bucks, and that means a Honeywell moving a couple bucks means the market's moving a couple $100, if you know what I mean. So this one's going to be a decent trade coming on. I think this is going to just match the Dow here. I think that's it for today. I'm going to see you tomorrow morning on air tomorrow every day, 8 o'clock, 8:30 to about 4:30, depending on what earnings are out. It's Day Trader Radio for DayTraderRockStar for Day Trader Radio. It's late, so I want to get going. Definitely come by, check us out. Live market commentary, live stock updates, live trading, live on the radio, all for free. Just come on through. Education, videos, and charts and all kinds of good stuff. All right, I'm out of here. I'll get back to my radio show I'm doing tonight, 11:14 p.m.